Well, so there are times when we watch these very different sort of films, you know. So there's this Tamil film called Kalki that is that actually involves, you know, it's a it involves time travel, you know, like no, in a sense, when you were to watch the film, it's just, it's a very short film. It's hardly, I think, it's not more than 40 minutes, 40 45 minutes. But the kind of twist in the end is that, you know, apparently there's a scientist who's so busy with his work that his artist wife is like fed up with him, you know. So I mean, so that's what, then they have a fight, and that's what it's there's this element of, very surprise element of time travel that is brought into this movie, which is almost, it borders on the bizarre, but it's that's what, it's worth watching, because you don't normally come across a storyline like this. So try and catch it, people. It's on Netflix. It's a Tamil film, and it's called Kalki. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.